Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. We're heading down under to Australia, where they experienced a magnitude 5.5 earthquake at a depth of 6.2 miles on April 5th, 2026 at around 5 a.m. local time, putting it in Australian Central Standard Time. The epicenter was 25.9 degrees south and 130.8 degrees east, putting this earthquake geographically right smack in the middle of this amazing country. This epicenter is in the Northern Territory, but in the southern portion, right on the border between the Northern Territory and South Australia. Now, if you think about the Australian outback and picture that image in your head of this semi-arid, very flat, desolate landscape, you are exactly right. This is where the epicenter happened, and it is absolutely fascinating because it is about 50 miles southwest of Uluru, which was known formerly as Ayers Rock, and close to about 30 miles northwest of a large peak called Mount Wynnum. Now, historically, Australia has very few large or medium-sized earthquakes. This one, the 5.5, is currently the sixth largest it's experienced across the whole country since the year 2000, so the past 26 years. The biggest was north of this epicenter in 1988. It was a 6.6 in the Northern Territory. Now, what makes this earthquake rare and fascinating and a little bit curious to me is the tectonics. Now, Australia sits right smack in the middle of the Indo-Australian plate, and it's basically an intraplate system whereby many of the earthquakes experienced over time occur on the edges, the coastlines of this amazing country. Not many occur in the middle of the country. So all of these earthquakes are technically intraplate. However, there's no known fault lines across this area of the Northern Territory to cause this medium-sized earthquake, the 5.5. So this is fascinating, how and why this 5.5 earthquake occurred, and its location, and the lack of data looking at fault lines in this part of Central Australia.